Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain why Broca's aphasia can look different in different language. First, what is Broca's aphasia? It's a language problem that happens when part of the brain called Broca's area is damaged. People with Broca's aphasia usually know what they want to say, but they struggle to put words together in a full sentence. Their speech sounds short and broken, like they're missing small words. For example, instead of saying, she is cooking dinner, they might say, she cooking dinner. They understand language, but it's hard for them to form proper grammar when speaking. Now, not all language use grammar the same way. In English, we depend a lot on word order and small words like is, the, or to. In Italian or Spanish, grammar is shown through word ending like oh or ah that tell who is doing the action. And in Japanese, people use particles like wa, ga, or o to show who is the subject or object. So every language builds sentence differently. Because Broca's aphasia mainly affects grammar, it looks different depending on the language. Here are some examples. In English, a person might drop small words and say go store instead of I'm going to the store. In Japanese, someone might leave out the particles that mark the subject or object. In Italian, a person might say full sentence but mix up verb endings like mangia instead of mangiato. So, even though it's the same brain area, the symptoms change depending on how each language works. Scientists found this really interesting. It shows that our brain adapt to the grammar of the language we grow up speaking. Broca's area doesn't use one universal rule. It adjusts to your language structure. That means language and culture both shape how our brains process grammar and speech. So, to sum up, Broca's aphasia affects grammar, but since every language has different grammar rules, the symptoms also look different. This teaches us that the brain and language grow together. Your brain's language system adapt to the language you use every day. Thanks for watching.